We've asked crypto expert and best-selling author of Crypto New Rich, Troy Harris, what exactly does it mean for crypto on this choose-your-own-adventure US election? Whether it's a Kamala win versus a Trump win, what does this mean for crypto? So stay tuned.
As the 2024 US election looms, one question is reverberating through the halls of both Wall Street and Silicon Valley. How will the election results impact cryptocurrency? I'm Troy Harris, and today I want to chat about what you need to know about the 2024 US election and crypto. Now, cryptocurrency, it's no longer a fringe movement. It's now a key player in the global financial system, and the decisions made in Washington this November will shape its future for years to come. So whether you're a diehard Bitcoin maximalist or simply curious about the future of digital finance, this election matters. So what's at stake? Well, the regulatory environment for crypto in the US, and by extension, its role in the global market is what is at stake. And we're breaking it all down today. So hit subscribe now to stay updated on the crucial news that could make or break your portfolio. Now, imagine it's 1803 and Thomas Jefferson is finalizing the Louisiana Purchase, a bold, game-changing decision that would reshape the United States. Fast forward now to 2024, and we have US Senator Cynthia Lummis proposing something equally bold, which is a Bitcoin reserve for the nation. Just as the US saw westward expansion as the key growth to the growth of the US in general, some see crypto as the next frontier. Historically, the US has been at the forefront of financial innovation. However, it's worth noting that the US didn't actually create the modern financial system. Key developments from the Amsterdam stock market in 1602 to the banking standards set in England and Germany, they were the key factors that laid the foundation for today's global markets. Now, with crypto poised as the next evolution in finance, the US could take a leading role again, depending on who is in charge. So let's look at a couple of different people who are proposing to be the next president to see what their stance is. Now let's start with Donald Trump. Love him or loathe him, Trump is positioning himself as a vocal advocate for crypto. He's aiming to transform the US into the crypto capital of the world, as he says, with support for ideas like Senator Lummis's Bitcoin reserve. So if Trump wins, analysts predict a potential Bitcoin bull run, possibly driving prices as high and beyond six figures. But don't be fooled by the political posturing, because while Trump claims to be pro-crypto, history shows us that politicians often don't follow through on their promises. Ultimately, Bitcoin's trajectory is determined by its algorithm. Now, it's certainly not determined by political leaders, that's for sure. So as highlighted by the Bitcoin 4-year cycle, Bitcoin will keep moving forward no matter who is in the White House. Now let's look at Kamala Harris's stance. So on the other hand, Kamala Harris takes a more cautious approach. She's open to blockchain technology but favors responsible growth. Her stance may not excite crypto enthusiasts, but it could create a more regulated, stable environment for institutional investors. So if Harris wins, expect a more conservative regulatory approach, which could dampen the explosive growth that we've seen in recent years. However, this stability might appeal to risk-averse investors as well. Now, historically, elections always impact financial markets, and crypto is no exception. As we approach election day, expect increased market volatility. Now, if Trump wins, his pro-crypto stance could create a regulatory environment that fosters innovation, leading to significant growth in decentralized finance, also known as DeFi, and blockchain technologies. A Trump presidency could trigger a crypto bull run like no other. Now, however, if Harris wins, her focus on regulatory oversight could slow down crypto's explosive growth, but might attract institutional investors looking for more stability. The market may brace for increased regulation, dampening short-term excitement, but laying the groundwork for a more structured future. Beyond politics, broader economic factors will play a crucial role in shaping crypto's future as well. First, inflation. As inflation rises, Bitcoin is often seen as a hedge against traditional currencies losing value. More investors may flock to Bitcoin as a store of value in turbulent times. However, rising interest rates could undermine crypto's appeal. If interest rates continue to climb, risk-averse investors may shift away from volatile markets like crypto and opt for potentially safer investments, as they say, such as bonds. So the 2024 election will have a profound implication for the future of cryptocurrency, whether it's Trump's vision of a Bitcoin-backed America, as he says, or Harris's cautious approach to blockchain. The stakes have never been higher. But let's be clear, Regardless of who takes office, the momentum behind crypto is unstoppable. Innovation, adoption, and the demand for decentralized finance are pushing this industry forward. This election could make or break fortunes. The question is, though, are you ready? So here's the hard truth. If you're not paying attention to how this election could shake up the crypto market, you're already falling behind. This could be your chance to ride the biggest wave of gains or get wiped out entirely. So hit subscribe to stay ahead of the curve, and let's navigate this volatile landscape together.